because there's been a huge campaign in the run-up to May Day and afterwards to criminalise protesters, to say that anybody who went out onto the streets to campaign against the ills of the capitalist system, we was actually outside Nike campaigning against child labour in the third world, and yet we were called criminals. We were also told that we were just like those that blew up the Twin Towers on 9/11. So they tried to say we were criminals and we were protesters. We've had the same campaign in the media and before, in the last, in the run-up to the protests this week, trying to say that all protesters are violent, are criminals, and they want to smash things up. That's not true. We're out to fight and campaign for a better and a just world. That's what we're doing, and right is on our side. And actually, yeah, and I'll finish it, and actually all those people who protested on May Day 2001 were right, because everything that we said about the greed and the debt and what capitalism was going to bring down upon us all, the working class and the poor of this world, has come to pass. Now my announcement is that we're now going to the European Court of Human Rights to challenge the police policy of containment, where we say containment is dangerous, it causes crushing on the inside, it's draconian, and it's against the democratic right to protest. It's about criminalising and stopping protests and frightening people from coming onto demonstrations. That's what it's all about. We're challenging it in the Court of Human Rights, European Court of Human Rights, and what I want is Louise Christian, who's a very famous human rights lawyer who's campaigned on behalf of people in Guantanamo Bay. She's our lawyer, and she's contacted me to ask me to get people to come forward who have been held in containments in the last week, to come forward, give me your email addresses so that you can be witnesses in our current case to try to get containment ruled illegal. So come forward if you want to be a witness. But we said in the High Court that containment is dangerous. It causes crushing on the inside and it will lead to injury and possibly death. So therefore we need people to come forward and help us in this case to get that tactic ruled illegal, but also we're all campaigning against capitalism and we've got to continue to do that, but we've also got to fight for the right to protest as well. Thank you very much.